right, third graders, today we're going to describe angles in plane shapes. Remember what plane shapes are?
Yes.
Okay, shapes that are just on a piece of paper, basically, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's talk about angles. An angle is formed by two rays that share an endpoint.
Plane shapes have angles formed by two line segments that share an endpoint.
The shared endpoint is called a vertex. The plural of vertex is vertices. Okay, and it says Jason drew this shape on dot paper. Let me, before we talk about that, let me talk to you about the angle, okay? Guys, angle is basically this, okay? It's this part of it, alright? That's an angle, okay? If you were saying, you have to angle yourself one way, you're going to kind of curve yourself, right? Or something? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay? Or, you have to draw that at an angle or something, okay? The angle is like this part, like showing that it's open, basically, okay? Open some way. Now the vertices is the dot, okay? The vertices is the dot. Does that make sense? Okay. Now, so they're saying that there are angles and shapes, okay? Because there are. You will see an angle in a square, okay? Here's the angle right here. You have an angle right here, angle right here, angle right here, and angle right here, right? Okay, now, where they meet, though, these are all the vertices, okay? Basically the corners are the vertices. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Corners are vertices, okay? Corners are still kind of like angles, too, but they're the angle part, okay? Vertices are the meeting point where they both meet. Alright? Okay, so Jason drew this shape on his dot paper. How many angles are in Jason's shape? How many angles are in Jason's shape? Right? How many angles are in Jason's shape?
4.
4 angles, right? Okay, 4 angles. You have an angle right here, right?
Yes.
You have an angle right here.
Yeah.
You have an angle right here.
Yes.
You have an angle right here.
Yeah.
Angles are kind of like corners.
Yeah.
Yeah. You just think about it like a corner. An angle is a corner.
Oh.
How many corners does it have? Okay? 4.
Okay.
Look at angles in this shape and the shape that Jason drew. How can you describe the angles? Okay, they're going to help tell you how to describe certain angles. Now, one kind of angle you can call a right angle. Okay? A right angle forms a square corner. This can be a square corner. This can be a square corner. But these cannot be square corners. Now last year, I kind of tried to help my kids figure out what would be square corners and not square corners by taking scrap paper, okay? And because paper has straight corners, they can make a right angle for every corner, okay? So if you were to put your paper on Jason's shape right there, you could see that that would be a right angle, okay? And then you could pull your paper up and do this one, and that would be a right angle. Okay, here is the difference. Look at this one right here. Do you see that the lines are not perfectly even with this? This angle goes out farther, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that angle is greater than a right angle because you can see the line and it's not even with the paper, okay? Now this angle, the bottom one, you're going to put it up here like this, There's a part of the line you can't see, isn't there?
Yeah.
The paper's covering it up. That is a less than right angle. Okay? So we're just having a right angle, greater, and less. Okay? Okay. All right. So let's look at Jason's shape. Two of the angles are what kind of angles?
Right angle.
Right angles. Two angles are right angles. Ooh, not spelling right, right? Okay, two angles are right angles. Length angle is, let me just one. Okay, so one of the angles is, what would you call that? Blank than right angle.
Is less than?
Less than right angle. One of them is less than a right angle, and then the other one, yes, the other one is greater than a right angle. Okay, next page. This says that we are going to do bendable straws. We're not going to do them. I'm very sorry. It says cut a small slit in the shorter section of the bendable straw, and then make angles with straws you put together. Compare the angles you make with the corners. Open and close the straws. Make other types of angles. In the space below, trace the angles you made with the straws. Okay, we're not going to do straws. We're going to do pencils. So get 2 pencils out, please. Okay, what we did was we just used our pencils, and we showed a right angle, and then we drew a right angle and labeled it. Then all of you guys showed me a less than right angle with your pencils, and then you drew a less than right angle and labeled it. And last, you made a greater than right angle with your pencils, and then you drew a greater than right angle on your paper and labeled it. We are now ready for show and share. Okay, number 14, read the directions. Describe the types of angles formed when you divide a circle into 4 equal parts. Okay, if I draw a circle, see me draw a circle? And I cut it into 4 equal parts. What are the angles? Now, of this shape right here, what's this angle right here?
A right angle.
This one would be a right angle, right?
Yes.
Okay. What about this side?
Right angle.
This side?
Right angle.
And this side?
Right angle.
So how many right angles would we have?
4.
Okay. We would have 4 right angles. Four right angles. That's all you had to do.
Knew it. Right.
Next page. We would have 4 right angles. The next page. Okay. Holly drew a shape that does not have a right angle. Which shape did she draw? A, B, C, or D? What do we need to know? Aubrey? Yep, which shape Holly drew. Write that down. Okay, tell how you might use a sheet of paper to solve the problem. All of you have been using sheets of paper to solve all your other problems. So what would we do, guys? Wyatt?
We What I'm writing is, I might use a sheet of paper to find the corners.
Okay, since a corner, that is close. But the sheets of paper have what kind of corners?
Right.
Right angles.
And
So sheets of paper have right angles. Sheets of paper have right angles. Sheets of paper have right angles. So, we can compare a paper corner to all the shape corners. Shapes corners. Using your paper. Shape A. Let's look at the corner of shape A. This corner, what kind of corner is that?
Oh,
Put your paper to it. Put your paper to it. Okay, so boys and girls, shape A has how many right angles? 2. How many greater than right angles? 1. And how many less than right angles? 1. Now we're going to go to B. We're going to measure all the angles for B. Okay, I wanted you guys to do the rest of C and D on your own and then find the answer. So we are done with Unit 12.2.